Hello viewers, welcome again to my channel, The Thirsty Pro. This is the second lecture in the series of Complete Project Management course. In case you are new to my channel, I have given the link to my earlier lectures in the caption, so you can go through it to get more clarity on the topic. Also, I advise you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified when there are new lectures available. In this video, we will understand about different project types that are defined in project management. Let's begin. Although there are no specific categorization defined by the Project Management Institute, still on the basis of some parameters or complexity the projects are categorized for the ease of project management. Widely the projects are categorized on the basis of the following parameters: final outcome or the purpose, ownership, investment value, duration, contract agreement, and delivery method. Let's go through them one by one. On the basis of final outcome, the projects are grouped as construction projects. The projects related to constructing, renovating, refurbishing, retrofitting or adapting a building or other built assets such as tunnels, bridges, roads, airports, dams, pipelines and so on. Then comes manufacturing projects. The purpose of manufacturing projects are to design and develop a new product or variant. For example, car, cell phone, or cosmetic and so on. The next type is management projects. Projects that are related to consulting services or team management. They don't produce any physical or tangible outcome. Example is managing a marketing campaign, conducting a feasibility study, delivering process improvement, and so on. IT projects. Projects related to IT infrastructure, application, or software are categorized at IT projects. Examples for these are a project for software development, ERP implementations, IT infrastructure setup or upgrade, cyber security rollouts, and so on. Last in this list is research projects. These are scientific projects and can be for longer durations. Examples are research for cancer treatment, research for COVID vaccine, and so on. Projects can also be categorized as per the ownership. Public projects. Projects that are financed by the government and are typically owned and may be operated by the government. For example, construction of railways, public schools, government hospitals, roads, government offices and buildings, and so on. Then comes private projects. A project that is financed and owned by an individual or a private entity. For example, construction of shopping mall, private hospital or a school, and setup of private industry, and so on. Then comes public-private partnership projects. They are also referred as PPP projects. These projects involve collaboration between a government agency and a private sector company that can be used to finance, build, and operate project. For example, constructing a public transport system, parks, and convention centers, and so on. Projects are also classified on the basis of investment value. High-value projects, medium-value projects, and low-value projects. The value in monetary terms can vary from industry to industry, and also by country to country. For the understanding, we can say that the projects below 50 millions are low value, 50 to 100 millions are medium value, and above 100 million are high value. Similarly, projects are also classified on the basis of project duration. Long-term projects, medium-term projects, and short-term projects. Projects that have duration less than 2 years are short-term. 2 to 4 years are medium-term. And more than 4 years are long-term projects. The next project classification is based on contract agreement type that two parties agree upon. First in this list is fixed price. These are also known as lump sum contracts. The seller and the buyer agree on a fixed price for the project. Few types of fixed price contracts are fixed price incentive fee. In this contract type, the price remain fixed, and additionally and optionally the seller is offered a performance-based incentive. The incentive can be dependent upon one or more project metrics such as performance, cost, or time. Fixed price economic price adjustment. In this, the fixed price can be redetermined depending on the market pricing rate. Then comes cost reimbursable. This is also known as cost disbursable. Under this, the seller works for a fixed time period and raises the bill after finishing the work for a fee that represents the profits for the contract. The fee may be dependent on selected project performance or other metrics. The last in this list is time and material contract or unit price contract. This type of contract is a hybrid of a cost reimbursable and fixed price contract. For example, if the seller spends 120 hours on a project at $100 an hour, the seller will be paid $12,000 by the buyer. This type of contract is common for freelancers, and the main advantage of this contract type is that the seller makes money for every hour spent working on the project. The last in the series of classifications is the classification based on project delivery method. The first in the list is design, bid, build method. With this method, the owner hires an architect who completes the design and, after bidding, hires a contractor who completes construction. Then comes design, build. On design builds, architects work under a contractor who has a contract with the owner. Working as a team, the contractor and architect provide both design and construction services. Next is construction manager at risk. This involves a construction manager overseeing a project from start to finish. Working on behalf of the owner, the construction manager holds contracts with the subcontractors. The architect will have a separate contract with the owner. The last in the list is construction manager agent. In this method, construction manager oversees the project and advises the owner. Construction manager do not hold direct contracts with each subcontractor. Instead, the owner will hold each individual contract and the construction manager acts as a manager. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Do subscribe, share and like my channel, The Thirsty Pro. Wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.